welcome back. In today's video, I'm over the moon excited to share with you a huge thrift store haul, as well as how to have a successful thrifting adventure. I love to shop bargain shops, as well as flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales, you name it. If I can get it for $1, it is game on, girlfriend. So in this video, I want to share with you guys some of my tips and tricks on how to have a successful treasure hunting adventure, because there are things to look for and things to definitely pass up. So without further ado, let me share with you guys some of the fun and fabulous finds to look for right now in your thrift stores, and also how to get a great deal and make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. And it's time to hit the road for some fun and fabulous treasures. Wish me the best of luck. I cannot wait to see what they have at the thrift stores today. I always usually find at least one thing, unless I'm being ultra picky, but I'm definitely on the hunt for some things, especially with the holidays coming up. So let's go. So the first place I make a beeline for at the thrift store is the home decor section. I look for mirrors, big beautiful statement pieces. I look for a mirror that has a gorgeous frame on it, because the frames that are kind of ornate, somewhat like this one, my husband actually brought this one home for me. It was $8. I actually really love this one. I think it's kind of a plasticky material, but I love it because I'm constantly changing my home decor around and I can lift it without any trouble. Now, don't get me wrong, I have found some really fabulous, gorgeous antique mirrors that I love, but these lightweight ones are really fun. They're easy to move if you have a hard time lifting things. And I will tell you that mirrors are an amazing way to open up a space. So I have a small home, and by adding a mirror to a decor spot or a vignette, it opens up that space and it tricks your eye and it makes you think that the room is larger than it is. So definitely check out your thrift stores for mirrors. The second thing I love to look for are home decor accent pieces that are unique and a bit fancy. So I found this picture and this picture at my local thrift store. They were about $2.50 each, and I love the frame on this. I also love the vintage style picture that's inside of it, but if I get tired of that, I can change it out and do something different. I was super excited to find these because they're very vintage looking, and if you guys look at my fall home tour video, I did use these in my kitchen and I got so many compliments on them. So when you guys go to the framed art section, look for pieces that are unique, that have a gorgeous frame, and that are in really nice condition. When you guys go to the home decor section, look for framed pictures that are very unique, that maybe have kind of this vintage vibe and that have this gorgeous ornate frame. I'm not super picky. I will pick something up even if it's not an original antique, which I don't believe that these are, but they were super gorgeous. I was so blessed to find them. So definitely check for framed art at your thrift stores. And if you guys look in flea markets, you can find some great framed art as well. Look for gorgeous frames, even if they don't have a picture in them that you like. Turn it over, see if the backing is able to be removed, and you can just change that picture out so easily. So the next thing I have found recently are these gorgeous candlesticks. Oh my goodness, I was over the moon. The thrift store that I found these in had them for $5 each, and they were half off, so I got both of these beauties for $5. They have really gorgeous lines on them, but candlesticks are so expensive. I have been trolling TJ Maxx and the craft stores looking for some really beautiful candlesticks for the holidays, and so definitely check out your thrift stores for candlesticks. You can also mix and match finishes. You could do some woods, you could do some brasses and metallics with each other. If you group them together, they'll look more cohesive, so definitely look for a candlestick. And these happen to be on a timer. I found them for $2.99 at the Goodwill. I thought they were gorgeous with the green and then the gold leafing pattern. I wasn't for sure about the green, but I have been incorporating some greens into my home decor recently. I think they'll be gorgeous for the holidays. So keep your eyes out, because battery operated candles, especially if you turn them over and look to see if they're on a timer, can be very pricey in your home decor stores. So the next thing to check out at your thrift stores are some really beautiful baskets. So I found this gorgeous basket at the thrift store for $2. I got this beautiful metallic kind of baskety holder thingy for about $1.50. Check your thrift stores for baskets because they're so expensive at the home decor stores. I'll go into TJ Maxx and see a basket that I want, and it'll be between $10 and $25. Also look for kind of some more rustic baskets. I found this really cute apple basket. It was $3. And then I found this darling little cornucopia for $2.50. Now I don't do a lot of Thanksgiving decorating. I go over the top for fall, Halloween, and Christmas, but I do want to do a Thanksgiving centerpiece, especially to share with you guys because I do so many DIYs on my channel. I cannot skip over a beautiful Thanksgiving centerpiece. The other thing I'm thinking about doing is I have kitchen cabinets and I have a space between the cabinet and the ceiling. I'm thinking about decorating that space with baskets that are all one color. So that will be a bit of a challenge for me to begin looking in thrift stores for baskets that way. But baskets are a great way to do home decor on a teeny tiny budget. The next thing I love to find at thrift stores are Christmas trees. So Christmas trees can be so expensive. I found this one at our local Salvation Army for $5. It came in 2 pieces. Originally it was a Walmart tree for $25. It came in its original box, and I even had the store clerk check and make sure that all the lights on it work because it was a pre-lit tree, and and they wanted $10 for it, but it was half off all of their Christmas decor. So I was super excited to find that. It's a great little size. It's only a 4-foot tree. Now I do decorate my living room with a lot larger of a tree, but this is going to be a great little tree to accent, maybe put into a smaller room or just whatever. But thrift stores are a great place to look for greenery and also for Christmas trees. So speaking of greenery, now is also the time for look for your evergreen wreath bases. So I found this beauty at the thrift store. It was only $1. It did have some poinsettias and pine cones on it, which I've started removing. It has really nice bones, and at the home decor stores or even at Walmart, this evergreen wreath is going to be about $10. So begin to just look at your thrift stores and your garage sales for Christmas home decor. I also found this beauty. It was a couple dollars more. The bow may be salvageable. I'm sure that I'll find a way to use it. It did have some poinsettias on it. Now, of course, it's seen better days and it needs a lot of fluffing and TLC, but for a couple of dollars to have this much on it already that I can repurpose and reuse, and also have the base, and I think this one even came with some lights on it. So definitely begin to look for your wreath bases. I love to pick up evergreen wreath bases, and I love to pick up even the grapevine wreath bases as well. I also found this little guy. Now this is a centerpiece, and you can tell it has seen better days. It has things falling off of it, but it does have some poinsettias to work with. If you don't like the color of the poinsettias or the flowers on some of the thrift store holiday decor, you guys can always paint your silk flowers. I did a video for you guys last year on how to do that, but I'm gonna rework this and make it absolutely fabulous and gorgeous, and I got it for only $1. So definitely check for your evergreen, and also kind of look through it and make sure it's in decent shape. I try to get things that aren't like super dusty, but a little bit of soap and water also goes a long way. So another thing I have been picking up at the thrift stores are ornaments. I found these beautiful gold ornaments. They were $2, but this thrift store I was at had all of their decor half off. So I got these gold ornaments for $1. And if you don't know what theme you're going with or what color scheme, you can always pick up some metallic ornaments. That's kind of what I've been doing. But they also did have some really pretty deep red ornaments. And again, these were $2, but half off of that. And so I was able to score 2 boxes of these, which would probably decorate that little tree just perfectly. And then the other thing I found, these were a little bit more. They were $3, but again, they were half off. And these are some Martha Stewart candy apple red ornaments. So honestly, I would probably mix and match these two to give your tree a little bit more dimension. You could go in and out with the different colors of ornaments, but for $4 and some change, I got 4 boxes of ornaments. It would probably normally cost me about $20 at the home decor stores. So go ahead, and even though it's definitely a far way away from Christmas, start checking for those really amazing deals on ornaments, because once the season gets closer, they're going to start selling out. They're going to be more expensive. Now, I did notice at one of my thrift stores that they didn't have any seasonal decor out, so I went ahead and asked them, them when they begin to put out their Christmas. And they let me know that they're going to be doing a half off sale next week and then a bag sale, and then they're going to be putting out Christmas. So if you're thrift stores do not have out any Christmas yet, ask them. Sometimes they'll let you see in the back and pick and choose from different things. It just really depends. Another wonderful find that I found this week are these two beautiful garlands. They were $1.75 each. They were in perfect condition, and even though I have really already shopped and bought all of my fall decor, I knew that I could use these somewhere, and I knew that they were a steal of a deal. So look for beautiful garlands that are in really good shape that can really zhuzh up any little bit of space. Another thing that I have recently and also used in my fall home decor were these beautiful pumpkins in this gourd. So it was a pumpkin in a gourd, and they were so unique and different looking to me. They kind of look like they're a little bit vintage antique. I believe I got this one for $3 and this one was about $2. So look for some of that amazing, unique home decor that you're just not going to see everywhere. And if it's in great shape, definitely grab it. Also look for pieces that you guys can double up on. And double up by, I mean, I love this. It's gonna decorate for the fall season, but it also has a functional purpose. I'm storing all of my son's favorite oatmeal cream pies in here. And if you guys wanted to use this as a decor piece, it would be beautiful with some fall flowers and some fairy lights. The sky is really the limit on some of these more high-end looking decor pieces. I mean, I know you would pay probably $15, $20, $30 at a Pier 1 or a TJ Maxx for a specialty item like that. Another fun find were these big, beautiful red pillows. They're a lovely suede. They're in perfect condition, and we have a thrift store in town that is so clean and amazing. And so I went ahead and grabbed these because I love to decorate either inside or outside with seasonal pillows, but I like to pick up solid colors for the most part. And I thought these big, beautiful red throw pillows would be great for my husband and my son's man cave. After I thoroughly check out the home decor section, I always move into the clothing section. I found this beautiful pea coat. It was about $5, I believe. It's gray. It feels like it's wool. It's nicely lined. To be honest with you, it looks like it was never worn. It's the Target brand. It's a small. I'm not even for sure if maybe it's a men's coat because a small in this size, it fits me and I'm normally a medium. Anyway, but I didn't care. I was like, great, I think this is very versatile. I get really cold really easy, and coats are so expensive. And to find a nice dress coat, even at Walmart, is $30, $50, $60. And I know this was probably $40 to $50 originally. So to grab it for $5, and go ahead and start looking right now at your thrift stores for coats, because again, it's the same as a seasonal Christmas decor. Once it comes, you know, November, December, that stuff is going to be selling out. It's going to be super picked over. So definitely look for coats. I also found this Crew Flannel, which I think flannels are an amazing thing to look for at the thrift store. And this was actually in the men's section. So check your men's sections at the thrift stores. If you look in the men's small, if you're a ladies medium to large, you can find some really great deals on some stuff. And our sports team for our home team is black and red. And so I think I can wear this over my jersey for a Friday night football game. The other thing I love to look for in thrift stores are cozy scarves. So I found this super trendy leopard scarf. I know it was just a couple of dollars, and it's an infinity scarf, which I love because you guys can double it up. It will keep you nice and warm. And then if you get kind of too hot, if it's still a little warm out where you are, or maybe you're in a restaurant, what I love to do is if I'm super cold, I'll take my scarf off if it's not doing the trick, and I'll use it as a blanket. I do that at restaurants and at church all the time. Now my hair is probably crazy, but look for their scarves. I have found some gorgeous scarves. In fact, I kind of have to be a little bit picky because I have a little bit of a habit of dragging home scarves that I think are gorgeous, but aren't gonna really work for me. But this is really nice. It's lightweight, so it's transitional from fall into more winter time, and it's so trendy. And I'm a little nervous to like go full out leopard with like shirts and pants and that kind of stuff, but I know I can be brave enough to do a leopard scarf. scarf. Another thing I love to look for at thrift stores are kids' clothes. So I was able to find this beautiful Old Navy jean jacket for my son's girlfriend. Of course, I did text him a picture and make sure that she would love it, but it's by Old Navy. It's a medium. It is in completely perfect condition, and it's going to be gorgeous on her. She's tiny and gorgeous, and I know she's going to love it because she loves jean jackets. And then I also found for her this beautiful Mizzou sweatshirt, and it was originally $24.99, and I know I got it for I think $3. It's brand new with tags. So I am very careful because I have all teenagers, so when I go shopping for them, I usually try to text them a picture or make sure it's a brand that I know that they love, or make sure that it's new with tags and that I only spend a couple of dollars because in case they hate it, I don't want to go wrong, and you really can't take things back to the thrift stores. Okay guys, so here is my thrift store outfit of the day. I have on my cool mom jeans, my cute little black boots. I got the boots from the thrift store. They're Jessica Simpson for $5. Now the Old Navy jeans I got for $25. I did share with you guys an Instagram pic of these and ask you if I should get them, if I was too old for ripped jeans, and you guys all said no. And then I got this really pretty top. It's in kind of this luscious cranberry color. It's a little bit flowy, which I love. And here's what I really love is it comes down kind of long. So, you know, if I wanted to wear it with some jeggings or whatnot, that would be great. And it's super lightweight, so it's still about 97 degrees where I'm at. But I'm just gonna wear a tank top underneath it, and then it has like a lot of room to breathe. I'm wearing it with these long white dangly earrings. I did get those at TJ Maxx. They were not thrift store, but I have found some like this at the thrift store that are in black. They just don't pop very well against my really dark hair. So anyway, there you have it, head to toe, feeling fabulous and ready to roll out to go pick up my kiddos with my thrift store outfit of the day, and no one would know that this was thrift store. So that is going to do it for my thrift store haul. I hope you guys loved it. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up, share it, and consider subscribing if you guys are new. I do a ton of DIYs from Dollar Tree, home decor, shopping, cleaning, cooking, baking, everything to heart, family, home, and decor. I love it. And I love to share with you guys how you can have a fabulous, gorgeous home on a teeny tiny budget. You don't have to break the bank to have a beautiful space. And I think your home is the place where you should be able to recharge your battery and just come home and look at things that you love and just feel joy. So I'm happy to be sharing a lot of my seasonal decor DIYs with you guys. And again, I have a huge I Love Christmas series coming up. I have been doing a lot of things to prepare for that, and I can't wait to reveal some of the fun things that I have going on. So thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for everybody that comes back and comments. You guys are rocking my world. You are so kind and lovely, and I just want to hug all of you. I wish we could have a huge decor party every single day and we all live next door to each other and all that cool stuff. I know I'm crazy. But anyway, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in the next video. Until next time. Bye-bye. Come out here to say